Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to stop the push notification of your Pinterest tab. So if you want to off the push notification of your Pinterest tab, first you need to open your account and click on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you need to go on notification and click on buy push notification. Here you will see that there are lots of notification will be given by Pinterest. If you want to off the specific notification, click on it and it will off. And if you want to off all the notification on your Pinterest app, click on turn off all and click on the red button of turn off all. Now all the notification from Pinterest will be disabled. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to off the notification of your Pinterest account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.